Welcome to the brand new 28 Ice here at Lovesick Lake Park and RV Sales. Forest River Wildwood XLite. Beautiful layout. We have a front bedroom and then double bunks here in the back. They each have their private little cubby, lower bunk, and the upper bunk. Large slide for the dinette and Versa lounge here. This can be pulled out into a sleeping space, and the backrest pops around to the other side to have as a full dinette. So offers plenty of seating space and sleeping. Pantry tucked in back behind the entertainment door there. Built-in hookups for your television. You have a 3-burner stove here with a microwave below. Nice corner sink. Full-size refrigerators tucked back behind here. Down the hallway we'll find a nice full bath with a bright shower, skylight for plenty of natural light. Nice finishes throughout. And tucked to the back here we have your king Versa bed. Plenty of built-ins around it. Room to stretch out and get a good night's rest in between your adventures. Very functional layout here, convenient spots for everyone. And plenty of sitting and sleeping space.